Are you applying for a US visitor visa and want to make sure it gets approved at your interview? In this video, I am going to give you 5 essential tips to get your US visitor visa approved. Hi, if you don't know me already, I'm Andrea Shev. I am a US immigration attorney and I've been practicing for over 20 years. I put together this YouTube channel to give you clear, concise, and easy to understand information about all different types of US immigration topics. Now, if you're planning a trip to the United States and want to make sure your visitor visa application gets approved, you are in the right place. Today, I will walk you through 5 must-know tips to help you succeed in your visa interview. I'll be covering insights from former consular officers, successful applicants, and experience I have gathered over my 20 plus years as a US immigration attorney. I will give you the tools to present yourself as a confident, qualified visitor. Let's get started. First, prepare and organize your documents, but don't overwhelm. Document preparation is crucial, but bringing too many documents can backfire. A B1, B2 visitor visa is flexible. It covers a range of travel purposes like tourism, family visits, business meetings, conventions, or even medical visits. What matters most to consular officers is your ties to your home country, your financial stability, and your overall reliability as a visitor. For this, focus on the essentials: your passport, your DS-160 confirmation, visa appointment confirmation, and basic financial documents like recent bank statements or pay stubs. These documents show you're able to fund your trip and that you have a plan to return home. Bringing too many documents, especially ones not directly relevant to proving your ties and stability, can seem excessive and may make you appear unsure. Keep things organized and easily accessible so if asked, you can quickly produce the required documents without fumbling around. Think of this preparation as similar to a job interview. You want to be confident and ready and showing only what's necessary to demonstrate your eligibility. 2, clearly communicate strong ties to your home country. A major factor in your visa approval is showing strong ties to your home country. Consular officers need to see that you have compelling reasons to return home, and these ties can come in various forms: a stable job, family commitments, property ownership, or even past travel experience. For example, if you're employed, a letter from your employer confirming your position, salary, and return date is a strong indicator of your connection to your home country. If you have close family ties or own property, these are equally powerful signals that you intend to return home after a US visit. Your goal is to assure the officer that you won't overstay your visa. This doesn't mean showing extreme wealth. Instead, it's about conveying stability. Emphasize aspects of your life that demonstrate you have deep roots and obligations in your home country. The consular officer wants to know that after your time in the US, you'll be motivated to return back home. 3, identify and highlight your unique strengths. One of the most impactful ways to present yourself as a strong applicant is by emphasizing your personal highlights. Consular officers see a high volume of visitor visa applicants, and they use quick assessments or boxes to categorize each applicant based on common profiles. To ensure you're seen as a qualified, approvable visitor, it's important to know what makes your application stand out and to lead with that information. Maybe your strength is your job stability, your established career, or your record of international travel. If you've been financially successful, hold a prestigious role, or have traveled frequently for work, emphasize this. Even personal circumstances like a strong family network or responsibilities in your home country can reassure the officer that you're someone who intends to return back home. Essentially, lead with your strengths or highlights to help the officer categorize you positively from the start. This can be especially effective when combined with a clear purpose for your visit, which brings me to my next point. Number 4. Communicate a clear and focused purpose of your visit. The first question the officer often asks is, what is the purpose of your visit? How you answer this can set the tone for the rest of the interview. Since B1, B2 visitor visas cover a broad range of purposes, be prepared to clearly and concisely explain your reason for traveling. Keep it short and relevant. If you're visiting family, say, I'm visiting my sister and her family in California for 2 weeks. If it's for business, you might say, I'm attending an industry conference to represent my company. A clear, straightforward answer reassures the officer that your purpose is genuine and specific. Avoid using too much technical jargon or delving into unnecessary details. This could confuse the officer and make you appear overprepared. A focused answer in 3 to 4 sentences works best. Start with a one-line introduction about yourself, such as your job or background. State the purpose of your visit, and if relevant, briefly explain why your presence is important. This clarity gives the officer a straightforward understanding of your intentions. Now, before we go into number 5, don't forget that I provide a free download that you can get that gives the tips and pointers to get through your US visa interview. More details than this video will give you. Don't forget to download it. The link is below. Also, if you need somebody to talk to and someone to help you prepare for your interview, or you've had a rejection or a refusal and you want to talk to an immigration attorney, please contact me. We can set up a prep course or a prep consultation to help you get approved in your next visa interview. So those links are below this video. Don't miss them. 5, approach the interview with confidence and positivity. Your demeanor is crucial in the interview. Most B1, B2 visitor visa interviews are brief, sometimes only lasting a couple minutes. So you need to make a positive impression quickly. Consular officers assess your attitude and confidence, and appearing overly nervous can work against you. Remember to make eye contact, speak clearly, and answer each question politely and directly. This shows the officer that you are prepared and a credible applicant. Practicing your answers ahead of time can help you feel more comfortable. So consider running through common questions in front of a mirror or with a friend, or with me if you want. Contact me and we'll set up a consult and we'll go through it together. Rehearsing responses helps you stay focused, natural, and confident during the actual interview. A calm, friendly demeanor shows the officer that you have nothing to hide and are well prepared for your trip. Think of this as a conversation about your travel plans and focus on making a positive connection with the officer. And that's it. 5 essential tips to help you get your US visitor visa approved. To recap, focus on essential documents, demonstrate strong ties to your home country, highlight your unique strengths, communicate a clear purpose of visit, and approach the interview with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share it, tell other people about it, and don't forget to download my free tips and pointers to get through a US visa interview. The link is below. And if you want to set up a consult with me to walk through and prepare for your next visa interview, happy to do that also. The link to contact me is below on that too. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and good luck out there, and see you next time.